It gives me great joy to know that Kerala Veterinary and Animal Sciences University is completing 10 fruitful years of service to the academic, farming, and general society in Kerala. Let me first of all convey my best wishes to everyone in the university community as their institution crosses a significant milestone in its journey forward. For a university, this milestone is often an occasion to evaluate its academic performance and the developments achieved so far. However, the occasion calls for much more than an evaluation. In fact, this is the moment to conceive and finalize the development plans of this university for the coming decades. I am happy that Kerala Veterinary and Animal Sciences University is entering its second decade with the confidence gained from winning the Chancellor's Award for the Best Emerging University in Kerala during 3 consecutive years. This achievement points to the clarity of vision of the university leadership about academic and infrastructural development. Every university has the duty to serve society by being a seat of wisdom and a guiding light, setting examples and standards for the world to emulate. That is why our former president and a great teacher, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, believed that a university exemplifies the fraternity we wish to build up among human beings by creating useful knowledge and by applying it for the benefit of society. I am glad that the academic, research, and entrepreneurial activities of this university since its inception have contributed enormously to the livestock sector of the state. Our country has a unique livestock production system which focuses on production by the masses rather than mass production. Thus, for smallholders and even the landless people play a role in strengthening India's livestock sector. In recent years, we have seen a gradual transformation from smallholder to either semi-commercial or commercial mode of livestock production. This change demands huge technological support in terms of manpower, infrastructure, veterinary services, value addition, and marketing. We can be proud that the research acumen of this university, along with the lab-to-land translation of the research findings, has made a meaningful impact on our livestock, poultry, and dairy sectors. Needless to say, the proactive interventions of K. Vasu during the past 10 years have unfolded as numerous farmer-friendly projects. Above all, K. Vasu has gifted to the world globally competitive graduates equipped to strengthen the animal husbandry and dairy sectors of Kerala. This is also an occasion to acknowledge the hard work and contribution of several batches of students, teachers, and other functionaries who have breathed life and vigor into this great institution. I recall the words of Greek philosopher Plato that the mark of an educated person is the willingness to use one's knowledge and skills to solve the problems of society. This applies to all educational institutions and more so to the universities. The attitude of every university graduate should be to give back to society more than what we have received from it. An advice in our scriptures puts it most succinctly. Shata hasta samahara sahasrahasta sankira. Earn with 100 hands and give with 1,000. I earnestly wish that the scientific interventions of this institution become key drivers to resolve the impediments in the livestock and dairy sectors and help to empower farmers and entrepreneurs with necessary skills and advice. Thus, we can give to society with 1,000 hands from what we have earned with 100. May such social commitment continue to guide every teacher, student, and researcher of this university in the years to come. Once again, my best wishes to the Vice Chancellor, various authorities, faculty, staff, students, and everyone at Kerala Veterinary and Animal Sciences University. Together, let us help K. Vasu become one of the best institutions in the country. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu, valre nanni, Jai Hind.